Have gone to Samoa. They've been there for 3 months and they're coming back today, heading up to Sydney to go and pick them up. What's 2 plus 1?
8.
Bruh.
But I bought them a car, guys. Molly asked me the other day, she said, like, what do you love about being in our family?
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Howdy party people. Hold on, let me just wipe the lens real quick. How you like my breath? Guys. So this morning, right, I want to tell you a funny story before we head off. I went to go and trim my hair and I said a few inches, and this is where we're at, guys. She gave me a bob cut. But you know, I'm actually not as mad as I was when I first walked out. I mean, I wasn't mad when I walked out at all because I didn't realize how short it was. It looked a little bit longer because she was like, I don't know, it looked like it was below my shoulders, which is what I asked for. But I don't know, every time you leave a salon, your hair looks longer in the salon, and then when you walk out, it looks short. I got Georgie over here.
What's up, everybody? Today, we are going to the shop. Come on, let's go.
Shout out to Pule Pule family out west. That was a reference that Aussie stole from you guys, so credit to you guys. But I can't believe it, I've only posted 2 vlogs, or maybe 3 at most, since my parents have gone to Samoa. They've been there for 3 months and they're coming back today. So Aussie and I are heading up to Sydney to go and pick them up. I'm so excited to see them. I've missed them so much. My mum went to build a house for her family, so they did that and they're back. Yeah. And also Samoa is so expensive right now. It was totally so much more than we had anticipated and budgeted for.
So yeah, we're gonna go to Sydney today.
Shout out to you, bro.
We're gonna go to Sydney today, guys. Come on, let's go with us. So yeah, shout out to Pule Pule family. Yeah, me, I like watching Samoan vloggers. So everyone, yeah, keep coming, guys.
And this is our little Bebsy. I'm so sad to be leaving him by himself, my little baby boy. He's such a clever dog. I don't care what anyone says. He may be annoying at some things, and he does chew my shoes, but he is adorable. He's so cute. Just stopped off at the first Bummel because I think we're going to take Eddie. Hi, we've got Wen here. Hi, Wen. Yeah. Lissy.
Come here.
So short. Yeah.
Got one hand.
Hi, Lissy. Got in one hand?
Yeah.
Hold in one hand.
Look right there.
Well, we're just gonna get crumbled. Okay, Eddie, so we're gonna do a quiz, alright? A quiz is where I ask you a ton of questions and you have to answer, okay? What's 2 plus 1? Use your fingers.
8.
2 fingers plus 1 finger.
3.
Yes, good. Well done, Eddie.
Solo, solo.
Oh!
Ayo.
Guys, so we just pulled up here at Coogee Beach. You know, Aussie and I love Coogee. So we're going to go for a stroll along the beach. Maybe Chris's kids are going to have a little swim. And there's an ice cream shop over there, which I love having every time we come here.
Hey, guys.
Eddie Guerrero. Guys, I just love the beach scenery. It's so beautiful. Eddie, here, let me take a photo of you. Smile. Do a hand sign.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. You look so cool. Guys, we're having ice cream here at I don't know what this place is. Afton in Coogee. All the kids have ice cream as well.
All the kids have ice cream. We have ice cream today.
Guys, so we are having dinner here here at this fish and chip shop here in Coogee. We've been here like most of the day, kind of most of the day. Fish and chips. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for Aussie because we have Eddie Baghetti with us, my sister's son, and he went and dipped his feet in the sand or the water or whatever, and now he got all wet. So Aussie went and bought some pants for him, shorts. But we're missing Bear. Our notifications keep going off because he keeps moving. Usually we would have gotten home like 2 hours ago, and around the time that we get home he like sits up and looks at the door, waits for us. So he did that. Unfortunately we're not coming home tonight because we're not going to get home until probably 1:30 in the morning. But I'm super excited to see my parents. I cannot wait to see them. And yeah, see you guys soon. Hey Georgie, how are you, Georgie?
Very good.
Eddie Baghetti, how are you, Eddie? We're here at the airport, guys. Sydney Airport. Eddie. Eddie.
Huh?
Where are your shoes?
My mom has them. Ow!
I'm so excited to see my parents. So guys, we got here super early, like 20 minutes early, and their flight is actually delayed at 30 minutes. So we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer. 8:45 of here, expected at 9:09. Ah, I think he's wearing the green thing. Oh my gosh! What was mum? Oh, she went 10. Eh, so wow! Hi, Dad. Welcome back. Hi, Mommy. They're so happy. Mom, how was your flight?
Mấy will say, where are you going? Where are we going?
My parents are finally back after almost 3 months. Lavang akafao.
While visiting the terminal, items left unattended at the airport will be treated.
Mom, you're so dark. So tan. Wow. Listen, where's Nanny and Papa going?
Papa go somewhere?
Guys, we are, hold on, let me check it's on the right. It is, it's just really dark. We're here in the second Bumble home. So we are about an hour and 20 minutes until we get home. I am missing my baby boy, Bebe, because he knows what time we get home and he's just expecting us. Yeah? Finally home now. It's just 2 a.m. Fresh from Samoa. I don't see any colour. Semco. Oh, this is what I'm looking forward to. The taro chips. Nice. Oh, nice. Hola, guys.
Hola, hola.
So we are on our way to the farmer's market. I wanted to vlog because today is a special day, as you know by the title. It's my mum's 60th birthday party.
Let's go.
It's nothing big. It's just like a small intimate one. If it was big, we would have invited way more people that are special to us. But it was so last minute, and we thought we don't want to just do nothing for her 60th. Although we did do nothing for my dad's, but that's another story. Don't worry about that. But we just wanted to have something, you know, small and intimate, just to show our love and appreciation for our mummy. And yeah, so today's her 60th. It's a surprise. I don't know if she knows, because so she picks up on these things. I haven't been there, so I don't know who she's spoken to, or if someone's made anything slip. Maybe someone didn't know that it was a surprise. But guys, I have the biggest surprise for my parents in my entire life. And even though it's my mum's birthday, it is for both of them. But I bought them a car, guys. It is at home. I picked it up yesterday and it's at my house. So if you guys don't know, my parents went to Samoa earlier this year to build my mum's family a house. And in payment, one of our cousins, or my dad's cousin or something like that, I don't know what he is to me, but an uncle built the house. He's a builder, and as payment, my dad gave him his ute that has been in Samoa for like the last 15 years that he got from working at a farm here in Australia, in Canberra. So the farmer that you guys know that we pick at, my dad said that he would work for him for however many years to get that car, and he did. That's how he got that car. And now he's giving it away because it's pretty old. It's 97 or something like that. That's the year. So it was pretty old, but that was a car that we used to use when we would go to Samoa. Now they have no car, and I don't like that. I get to drive in, like, you know, a more modern car than my parents. So it's always been my goal to do this for them. And I'm so happy, grateful and blessed that I am in a position to do that this time. And I give glory to God. You know, there's a Samoan saying that goes, "Ole vai vai o makua if I go me go boku." If I made a boku. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get teary. Guys, you know me, I'm very emotional. But I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful for all of the sacrifices that they've done. And we are so happy to be able to do this for them, aren't we, baby?
Yeah. And I'm so, what was I gonna say to you? I'm so proud of you.
Oh, baby.
So proud of you to do that, no? That's a good thing for you. It's good. And welcome back to a video, yeah?
I don't have my camera. I'm actually vlogging off my phone. So we're going to head to the farmer's market. It's nothing new here, guys. You don't need to see anything. But we did go to Melbourne, and I didn't vlog that. We were in Melbourne for the Easter weekend, and I bought my trolley from there. It was really hard because we took Bear with us, and I took my parents and my sister and her family. And then on the way back, our car didn't fit. It was really crammy because I can't find them here in Canberra, but I bought one of those granny trolleys for the farmer's market. It's the ones that like actually push, and I'll show you guys after this. But I bought my own finally, and they're so expensive. They're like $100, but I bought it because I'm sick of pulling that stupid granny trolley around that I bought for $25 from Big W. It's actually broken. Anyways, guys, look at my glasses, This was my birthday present to myself, although I did get it like 2 months after. But actually, I already gave myself a birthday present. It was that big expensive holiday. So as promised, guys, this was my trolley that I wanted to show you guys. There's Georgie. So it actually opens up. I'm sure you guys don't even care, but whatever. There we go, guys. My little granny troll. I am a certified farmer's market lady. Okay, guys, so Aussie, turn that down. So we are, I don't have my watch on me. We're a few hours away from my mum's surprise birthday. She knows that we're going for dinner, but she just doesn't know it's a little bit bigger than it is. So I'm gonna go pick up the balloons at Big W and then head straight to the venue. And guys, I want to show you the car. Aussie's gonna bring the car, but I'll show you quickly. It's all the way up over there. Oh my gosh, I can't be bothered. I'll just show you a photo. Georgie's there, Bear's there, his camera's there. Make sure you put the bar in front. I'll make now. I'm gonna take this key and my car keys. Don't mind this room, it's a little bit of a mess. I was just getting ready here. Oh guys, we had such a big day. I was running around, cleaning my car, doing so much. I'm in a bit of a rush. Kind of underestimated this time. Ew, my hair looks weird. I haven't done it yet because I gotta go early to help with the garland balloons. So I'm just gonna quickly pick up these balloons, then head over to the venue. It's like a small venue, guys. It's just like a little room in a pub cafe kind of thing. Nothing too fancy. My hair is so not the biz.
So I just dropped the car here, but I don't want anyone to see it.
How do I get out of here?
Just turn around. Yeah, lucky no one's here. It's only people inside where the room is. So. Yeah, park at the front there, where the blue car is.
Okay guys, so I finally did my hair, got ready. Oh, the lighting is so bad in here. But anyways, I got my hair done on time, got the balloons here. They keep twisting and turning around, so we might have to separate them. Anyways, the setup is so nice. We got mum's cake here. Oh, so pretty. I might separate these. Hey guys, we got the 60. I tied it to the windows. I'm feeling super nervous at the moment. I'm probably going to get copyrighted, so I'll keep this very quick. So nervous at it. At this point, I'm the only one who Guys, it's a full house at the moment. It's a full spanking house. What you doing? Oh, is that your gift?
You should hang it up there.
Oh, that's
one
so
of my
beautiful.
gifts. My mum is getting spoiled today.
Try this thing.
Oh, it's a nice smell. Oh my gosh, it's giving me nostalgia of when I was in high school.
Is it? I got it from Melbourne. Mummy here. So lovely. Starting at 60.
Hello, energy squad.
So it's a surprise, guys. I'm currently waiting for my mum to get here. I don't have my watch on me, but she's going to be here at 6:30. I think Sia's going back home to pick her up with my dad. She just thinks we're going for dinner. So, yeah. Hi, Shasha.
Hi, energy squad. Hi, energy squad.
Oh, look at you, Sia. So lovely.
Well, she's my mom.
Happy birthday, Mama Soso. We love you. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Hi. I can't even hear you, bro. Sorry.
Happy birthday, Mama Soso.
Good, nice.
Happy birthday, Nene.
So this is a bouquet that Ingrid, my brother's wife, bought. Molly organised Mummy's cake and this lovely sign. Pastor did all of this. So beautiful.
I le ola, ma le mai osi ua tātou au ia mai ai le nei aso fia fia. Mana kuina o le ono se punu tausanga o lona soifua. Ia ia tua.
Thank you, Molly. That was a beautiful opening in the native tongue. I'm going to exercise my English. So tonight we're just going to say a prayer to bless this occasion. Today you can see there's not many people, but this is family. Everyone in this room is family.
Yep.
And Mum is all about family. Her whole life, knowing her, everything is her family. So let's pray. We're not getting into speeches, but I just want to say thank you to everyone for coming, because yes, I am a woman of God, but this is also my mum. And I'm very blessed to pray on this special occasion. So let's pray.
Okay. Mum, do you have something to say?
Hi everyone, ia la maleni, ni kautanga kele o ia mai. Almost kautanga, ele a loko le ri ia. Ma pau pa kautanga, au la be ia no le stroke. Ia now only wa almost kautanga. Ia la pa o ia stroke. Le hei se stroke, ele I kumo ni kwa la au, au pa kwa ile. O ia mai le ngai asa pa. Ia la pa le malolonga ia no kingo.
Oh, happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Dad, anything? Something?
Yeah. The first guy there was right. Going on the most food was just standing. Yeah, Mama, my dad, right? Yeah, almost 2,000. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Sweet. I can't believe it. They didn't bring a sweet. They didn't put it. Yeah.
Guys, on Python. Oh, Sia just gave her gift to Mommy. Oh, Mommy.
Yeah, just put it on the chair.
Smile, Dad. Dad.
One more. Yeah, Molly's one. Dennis, are you liking my stand?
Malo, everyone. Yeah, kako, no kako, yasopa. Never no kako masa. Bala mana foi desse. Ele é esse fato, se mulher não fora. Olha, não fora, tua não, mas vai eu kako. Fia fato. Yeah, kako muito mais né. Penso fala. Parce que moi qui là. Eu faço qu'est-ce ah, il là ceci et ça va pêcher, quand on va aller là pêcher quoi. On a bon pas bien. Bon on est là en Cap Sicile et Paris qui est là. Ya là on m'a là. Qui est là encore. But we are for God. Oh yeah. Yeah, shit, yeah. Hey, whoa.
Give him a clap.
Okay, stand there and a big
Wait.
My name is Amizana. Uelese in English. Nanny lets me sleep over all the time. And she always puts food on the table for me and all my cousins.
That's lovely.
And she's the one who raised my dad, Auntie Vicky and Auntie Sia.
Oh, what a movie.
and she always lets me keep going on.
Okay. And then you're the second boy. Good boy, so yeah, love you.
I wish you a happy birthday, Nanny.
The other grandchild wants to say something, yes? Introduce yourself. Hi everyone.
Hi, my name is Evan,
Yes, and you are the son of who?
prophet and singer.
Okay, yes. And what would you like to say for Nanny?
Nanny is a beloved mother to my uncles and aunties and my parents.
Yes.
She's helpful
She's helpful.
and wise,
And wise, yes.
and she does the right thing.
Does the right things. Yes. She does the right things. Yes. Yes. She does the right things.
And she helps me with stuff.
And she helps you with stuff.
I wish you a happy birthday, Nanny.
Yeah. Awesome.
My name is Uelese, the son of Uelese.
Yes.
I'm the first grandchild,
Yes.
and I wish my secondary mom a happy birthday. When I was born, my grandma had a stroke. My dad told me that.
Doing good.
That she helped me and she was killed with that stroke.
Amen.
I have so many stories of mom
Yes.
when she helped me getting out of hiding from my dad. I used to just call her, and then mom used to show up at the front door and save me. She was like my Wonder Woman. I just want to wish you happy birthday, mom, and God bless you and stuff. Yeah.
Wow, where did these views go?
I love you. Happy birthday. And thank you for everything. And for stuff.
My name is Uelese. I'm Soso's only son. I don't really talk about my mom. I just bury a lot of things. I don't really reveal how I feel, how I really love my mom, but I really love her. So there's a couple of things that I remember when I was a child. I would have been 9 years old, maybe 9 years old. I remember me and my mum used to go for a walk all over Spence, Flynn, Fraser, and I would always go with her. We would travel all over, always walk. And halfway through on our walks, I would bingo and cry, and my mum would be so soft, and then she'd end up fussing me along the way. And I had this real phobia of losing my mum really young. I don't know where it came from, but it was a fear that drove me as a child. I remember we were picking at, grape picking at David Majuri one day. I would have been about 12 years old. And after all day picking, my mum came over. I was sitting at the car and she fainted right in front of me, and I thought my mum had died. And I don't know where this came from, but I saw the resilience, the drive, just like the determination from my mother to stick around and suck it out. There was heaps of challenges that we faced, and a price that we paid for our love, but I'm so thankful to God that my mom is still here. She's able to enjoy her 60th birthday. And there's one more story that changed my whole life. As all of you guys know, that I was really naughty as a child. I didn't listen. I did whatever I wanted to do when I wanted to do it, and I did not care who was sitting in front of me. I remember I was out robbing houses and up to no good one morning. It would have been about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. I went to the toilet, and the toilet's right next to my mum's house, my mum's room. And I heard my mum crying. And I had thought that my old man was giving my mum a hiding, so I made it up in my mind that if I open this door and that's what's happening, I'm going to smash him. But I opened up the door and it was my mum on her knees, crying out to God and asking Him to turn me away from my wicked ways. So from that moment on, I set my life out so I can make my mother proud. So Mum, thank you for your love, your support, because you're the only one that ever believed in me, even in my ugliness. So I love you. I'm now sorry I'm crying. Yeah, I'm here to watch for now.
Amen.
So I was saying to Uelese last night, actually, I said it never actually occurred to me that I'm the only sister-in-law in the family. So, all the rest are obviously brother-in-laws. So I was like, oh, I'm kind of the odd one out. But I will. It was funny because Molly asked me the other day. She said, like, what do you love about like being in our family? And obviously, like, I think about like. Obviously, I love this family. Like, everyone's really like loving and like you can just chill. Everyone can just hang out and chill, but you don't actually have to be doing anything. And like you can just joke around and just hang out, like beating the girls with bananagrams or like yelling at the kids or just talking about like what everyone's been doing for the day. Like it's like a really like nice family to be in. So I'm really blessed that I got to obviously get to be part of your family. And mom, like, you're such a wonderful mother-in-law, so I'm really thankful of it. Like, the boys love you, and so do I. It's really nice to have, like, a mother-in-law that we can go to when we need something, or we need help. And even now, like, when we need a break from the kids, mom and dad will come and pick them up, even though, you know, it's a bit of a drive. So yeah, we're really grateful for you and we just want to wish you a really special 60th birthday.
Mom, I love you. There's not enough words to explain how much you mean to us, Mom. I love you. Thank you for loving and smacking my kids. If I keep talking, I'll end up crying. So, Mom, I love you very much. I'll always love you. I will always look after you, and I'll always be here to do your keys and your videos. Happy birthday!
I'm already gonna cry.